Hey, your dream summer body is already there. You just can't see it yet. This probably makes no sense, but people are telling you need to go in your next bulk, or you're never going to achieve it because everybody else is on steroids, whether you just need a brand new workout routine. What if I told you that that is all a lie? So I have 3 points in this video that I want to go through with you. The first one is the shoulder illusion. So you see this physique, he has a lot of muscle, but you are not too far from him. Because why? He's lean, and his shoulders pop out a lot more, as well as his really narrow waist. That is his V-taper, which everyone has, no matter how much muscle that you have. More muscle is good, but losing fat is king for actually looking good in summer. That brings me on to my next point. Definition might actually be better than size. Because if you look at this picture, for example, a lot of people would take this much smaller physique, even though he's way less muscle. But what does this mean for you? You should get leaner while putting on the muscle at the same time. So have best of both worlds. And that way, your 140 pounds will look like that, compared to looking like an absolute stick man. So just stop worrying about your weight. Just start doing the good habits instead, where you just eat better food, you go to the gym consistently, and don't burn yourself out, and you also just work out while losing fat. So you have an aesthetic physique under your clothes. Now you can also have aesthetics without even needing muscle. So main things are your jawline and your face fat, which will incredibly change the way you look. Like that is the transformation that everyone will go through, no matter how much muscle you have whenever you lose fat. And it will change your life. And this is a pretty good problem to have, looser fitting clothes. So you may have to size down, but I think that's a very worthy trade-off for feeling better after something you have accomplished. And the main takeaway is you will be treated better by everyone when you lose fat, especially if you do it in a way that you actually build muscle as well, so people can see your hard work and dedication. If you can achieve these two combined, it will greatly improve your life. If these tips helps you, I'd greatly appreciate it if you subscribe. And if you need any personalized help with anything that's on the screen or even related to the subject, you can work with me for one-to-one fitness coaching. The link is in my bio. Thank you so much for watching.